Hello, guys. My name is Gabriel Gruba, as you can see it from here, and today is gonna be our last live stream for this month because next week's I'll be focusing even more on Meteor 3, and we'll be having a lot of nice news later on. So, yeah, I am the dev advocate here at Meteor, and also one of its maintainers. So you might know me as a maintainer of Meteor as well. And today we're going to be working on the meter examples. So today we're going to be doing the updating the complex to do in Svelte. And as you might have seen it, I have already set it up my examples project. And the one that we'll be doing is called complex to do Svelte. And let's see which version it's using. I think it's using a later version, 2.30.5. So we're gonna bump this guy to at least 2.8, and then we can move on to a later one. So yeah, we have a lot of examples here, and there's like hippos that you can go there and see. I was wondering if I could do like for example these leaderboards that I can do later if it's quick or if I get stuck on this one. So I'll open a new tab and let me see. But I think the complex to do Svelte is gonna be a nice one because it hasn't been updated in a while, and from what I could see, the shared. Let's see if I can find here. So yeah, it's a complex. It's a really complex actually. Wait, yeah, that's yeah. I'm not sure anymore. Yeah, guys, that's gonna be hard, I guess, because let's see. Yeah, what is gonna happen? I need to update to the latest version and then move it to async. I think. Let's see. Let's try running the project actually, and then we see what happens. If you guys have anything that you want to ask me, you can send it in the chat. Please do not forget to subscribe, to follow us on our social medias, and yeah, let's go. So I'll be going to complex to do Svelte, and then I'm going to do meteor update. Oops, release 2.15. I want to send me messages. No. Yeah, everything's fine, I think. Yeah, it takes a while, I guess. Let's see if it runs. So let's see. I can do npm meteor npm install, and then I can do uh wait, what's going on? Oh, I'm installing Cypress. Oof. Yeah, let's see if it has like nice tests. Yeah, this one's gonna be a tough one, right? Like you have yeah, I find it really fun to yeah, exactly. Sounds nice, this one. So let's see if it can run npm run start, I think. And let's see what happens. cache started. Let's open localhost. Whoops. Localhost 2000. Yeah, we have it here. So it is create an account. Uh, foo, foo, foo. Create an account. Create an account. New task. Submit. Public, private. Hide completed tasks. Bar. And then I can do public, private, but delete. Nice. So we have a lot of things. Yeah, it sounds complex, but I think it's more of a, yeah, it's more or less a normal app with yeah. So let's try to make it work. Use checking it's how I could do it. Like I'm gonna go inside of this. Good morning. How you doing, man? How is your week going? Sure, sure. Sorry. Yeah, I'll increase it. Zoom in. Now it's good. I'll how I want to do it. I'm not sure. I will. Yeah, I will continue working on this part. Let me think. Yeah, because I wanted what I want to do is I would search for the because I need to. Yeah, exactly. This is what I wanted to do. So there's some packages that I feel, yeah, like this one. Yeah, I feel like this might not work as I wanted to. Ah, uh, yeah. 23. Do we have uh, support for fibers? Yeah, so we do have a PR for it. So maybe I need to clone this. Away jobs run. Yeah, it's gonna be tough to see if it works. So, for example, this one I would need to check if it will work on Meteor 3.0. Share cache. Yeah, guys, I'm feeling that this might not work as I want it to. Mm. Because it's using packages that I don't feel like it was like migrated to 3.0 yet. So I'll try, like from what I could see, the only one that will fail for sure is the jobs one. So yeah, let's see what happens. So I will initialize jobs. Yeah, job dot run jobs that expire. Yeah, what it does. Yeah, I think it's okay for now. Yeah, and now let's see the shared. Okay, this one is okay. Let me close everything else. Cache service. That's okay. Yeah, let's come back here. Oh, okay. So in the news, it's okay. The cache service is okay. What I'm doing currently is trying to find like things that that were supposed to be migrated to Meteor 3.0. So for example, I'm trying to find like I'm trying to find things that might not be the correct, like they are in the correct way. So for example, yeah, this one it's gonna be okay, but for example, yeah, this one is okay. Else require user cache. So I think this one is okay as well. User cache, get ID. So for example, this one will will throw, or yeah, it will throw, and so because I'm using like this, like user cache.get, oof, yeah, I'm not sure what's gonna happen. I'm because I feel like it's a lot of changes, but it won't be that much. I'm gonna be doing the Meteor update to release 3.0 beta.7, and let's see what happens while we try to run it. Because I think it will give a lot of errors, and then we'll be solving every each one of them. For example, like they find one, and from what I saw, we had the not this one. We have the this. No, not even this one. I think it's this one, the base repository that will throw an error. But oh, okay. So yeah, guys, I think it's yeah. I think we're gonna be having a lot of issues here. So the promise thing, what it misses is Svelte compiler version. So let's search for it. Um, Meteor Svelte compiler GitHub. Meteor Svelte, yeah, Svelte compiler. Let's see if we have. No, we don't. Yes, something's off, I think. Yeah, because there haven't been any efforts from what I could see to migrate to 3.0. So I guess yes, I'm feeling that yeah, it won't be that fun. Yeah, let me just ping the open source team about this, and uh yeah. Let's see how I can write about this. Yeah, I'll write something like, mm, yeah. Let me write it down now. So, to the open source team, while doing the yeah, let's find it here. Oof. I'm gonna be just writing down because I don't think it makes sense to me send these sprints, because a lot of those things, like, they can fairly be solved, but I think it needs to be more thoroughly checked. So I will write it down. Let's write it here. Like, hey guys, while doing the live stream, trying to update the Meteor 3 on app made results. I got a lot of regarding the regarding the Svelte packages and others. Let's say Svelte.compiler, and what was the another one? Is Yeah, this one, this Svelte Meteor data, and this Svelte Meteor data. Um, do we have card for those? For those, making you work should be a must as well. Just let me try. Don't have to try. Dot 5 is in the way. The community help out with that as well. So I think it's nice, the pink. So yeah, I thought in trying to solve every single of those, but I guess it's like a lot of work, and it's not a fun work to watch. It's like one of those like mundane work that you need to write a lot of things and open another. And so what I will do is, as I saw here, we have this other Meteor leaderboard that I guess we can try to work with. Let me copy the code and try to see if it works like out of the box. So yeah, Meteor leaderboard, copied, opening Visual Studio Code. I'll try it again. Let's see what happens. So I have a package JSON here. No, it doesn't tell me anything. Let me do a zoom in, and I'll try to Meteor update release 2.15. Because isn't that such a big app, right? Yeah, let's see what happens if we run Meteor. Whoa. Oh, I forgot to do Meteor npm install. Sorry, guys. And now I think we're good to go. Oh, so I can add 5 points. Add 5 points. Yeah, that's yeah. I love this app because it's literally yeah. It's such a small app, and yeah, it's actually fun, right? So what I will do, because I'm trying to think about it, but what I will do, I will try to make it like as how I could do it. Yeah, I would try to make it like isomorphic, as like, for example, like the players find one. Yeah. So what I will do, I will just show how it works. Like in let me create a new tab, like called localhost again, localhost 3000. I'll put it like this, and we can do like this, and that's the fun part. Like look at here and look at here, and if I click add 5, it will like add to the another one, and then like yeah, that's insane, right? Like Grace Hopper's like, yeah, that's yeah, lovely. That's a lovely app. Um, but well, so what happens is this app, it's in this latest version, release 2.15, and what it means by that is that like I can do this. I've changed a little bit of this code so that it works, like it will work on 3.0, and that's the way people should do their migration. I know this is a small app, but it works for most things. So, for example, if Meteor is server, so if I'm working on a server file, what I will do is on the Meteor startup. Let me do a yeah. Now it's better. So I'll move this constant to the top of the file because it's a constant. Um, and this count is gonna be count 8. So I'll change this whole function. I will write the function. I think it's better. So Meteor.startup, and it will run like this. Now it looks better. I will do player count, const player count, and it's an async function. Why it's an async function? Because we'll do a wait that count async, and if the player count is different than 0, I will return. Well, so what it means by that, it's that if there is no, yeah, I'm gonna do like this, it's better to explain. So if there is no players there, I will do what? I will do for const, yeah, let me do that. I always forget how to do a for loop, yeah, for name in names. What it does is I will do players dot insert async actually name, and so it can be just name. And yeah, this will work as it should, hopefully. So we have this, and this is what I would do for Meteor 3, and I'll wait for it actually. So yeah, this is like what it should look in Meteor 3, and I can actually do like every startup I will remove. So if player count is equal to 0, I will add, else I will remove everything. So there exists, remove console.log, removing existing players, and then I'll do, yeah, exactly. So remove existing players. So everything like this. If I do, yeah, I guess I did something wrong, right? Yeah, I don't think the can do like this as well. I don't think the else is correct actually. I think I can do always like if no, I can always remove players and Tel Aviv. Removing existing players. So every startup things will change, and then yeah. So every startup is gonna be like a different leaderboard, and that's okay. I will have this just for like debugging purposes. So let me just like type it in the bug here. So yeah, debug. Yeah, exactly. So it's just for existing players, and then I will remove this before merging it. But this is what it's gonna be looking like at the end. Yeah, nice, great actually. And I guess I can bring the let here, the constant here. Perfect. So this constant will be still be here. Now, what I will do is like this will work out of the box for Meteor 3.0. If I do like an upgrade, it will work fine. So if I do Meteor update release 3.0 beta 6.7, actually, it will work right away because the server, as you might see in every now and then in our forums everywhere, we always tend and we will always try to only change things in the server. So if I try to run, yeah, something's wrong with that. Meteor. Yeah. restarted my app, and yeah, it works fine as you might seen it. So I'm in the latest version of Meteor 3.7 beta 7, and it works. And you might be like, yeah, but here you do a find one, or like this. Is that okay? Yes, that is okay. And we actually can do more than that. Like, if you wanted to share the code, uh, we could do like, yeah, the players dot selected name. Let's see, selected name. If selected name, it would throw like this. So if I did find one async, it will be fine, I think. Let's see what happens. So if I click here, no, it isn't fine. Yeah. Oh, because yeah, it's like this async and find one async, and then I do wanna wait here. Oh, because I haven't updated the. Yeah, it will throw a promise object promise. But for Meteor 3, if you're running in the correct version, because I'm running this version, it should be another version. It will be fine. But again, as you have seen it, the client already works fine if you are not using promises, but it will work fine whenever you try it. So if I select a player, it will have the name and it will show to add the value, and the same goes to update and so on. So when you click increment, it will add 5 points either way, and if you want to, you can add async, and so it will work. So perfect, we have done a package, and let me just clean it up a bit, and I'll create a PR for it. And yeah, I think it's like it was quite fast, I guess, to update this package, update this thing. So yeah, let me just check it again, but I think it's fine, everything. The leaderboard, I guess, yeah. So yeah, and it's nice that you can have like like you can have a template inside of another template. Like we have this body, and then you can have a component here, and then you can have another component here. Yeah, that's great. Well, boof. So let me just push this to a branch and make it like a PR for it. And update to Meteor 3. Leave my changes. No, I left my changes. Sorry. Stash changes. Restore. Yeah, discard this one. Let me restore everything. And then I'll bring my changes to update 3.0. I'll bring my changes. Let's see. I think everything is fine. It's working. And yeah, to Meteor 3.0. I'll publish the branch. I'll create a PR. So dating app to Meteor 3. While in live stream, I did update this app to use the latest Meteor 3 version. Let me take a print of it. Oops. So that people don't think I'm crazy. It works. Nice. Got a print here. Let me throw in there. From no version. Live stream. Nice. So that's great. Yeah, great. Let me just like ask for the open source team a review. Yeah, the open source team already pinged me. So yeah, nice. Let me see another app that we might update while doing the live stream, while in this live stream actually. So let's see examples. And so we have updated the tic-tac-toe. The complex Svelte, I think I will get some help in the community. The Chakra UI we have already in the latest beta. The Tailwind CSS is like just a boilerplate to show to set it up. Let's see this one. The manage movies to watch. What is this double app? The leaderboards I've updated. The NFT, yet okay. Simple photos. Let's see how it works. In the simple map, we yeah. So nice. So the leaderboard we did update it. The one. Let's see this one. Yeah, yeah. This one's okay. This is one is nice, but yeah. And this one, what it is? Let's see. Mobile packages. Simple photo. How it works? Let's see. Mm. Meteor camera. Oh, okay, so this one is like it's to get photos. I can try later, but I guess we'll try this one from Felipe. Let's see if someone has done the. Yeah, no one has done nothing. So let's copy. Open with GitHub desktop. Launch. Let's open in Visual Studio Code. Let me do it here. Let me do a zoom in so that people can see it. Let me open a terminal, and what I will do is Meteor npm e minus g yarn. Why he was using yarn, I'm not sure, but c'est la vie. Npm install g yarn, and then like it can do Meteor yarn install. Yeah, that's not okay, right? Yeah. What happens if I try to do Meteor update release release 2.15? Let's see what happens. I try to use npm instead of yarn because yeah, I'm not sure. Let's see what happens, right? What's going on? Let's see. Yeah, why it's using bcrypt? That's a thing. Let's check the code. Yeah, why are we using bcrypt? Let me try it again now. Because like, yeah, it's like it's yeah, it doesn't make sense because yeah, like let's see what happens if I run. Symbolic link broken. Let me just delete all the modules and try it again. Let's see what happens. Yeah, sometimes this happens, and I'm like, yeah, it doesn't make any sense, like I've like, it's annoying. It's annoying. Yeah. Oh, that's so annoying. Ugh. Because like I did everything correctly from what I could see. And I think my shirt is no. I thought my shirt was like broken or like not broken, but like yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah. So this annoys me a lot because yeah, like I was trying to install and make it work, and for some reason it wasn't, and then now it works. I'm not sure. So I want to watch see my. So yeah, see popular, see popular. I want watch. I want remove please. So, uh, see my see popular. Okay, so yeah, it doesn't strike me as a complex app, but let me try to make it work using like async. So from what I could see, the only thing that happens on the server is from here, the import movie methods. And actually like, so there is a search movie that gets from a query. There's the popular movies, and there's the movies, and then there's save, and there's a remove. So if I do async here, and what did save actually do? I'll see later. What did this move collection do? Oh, the save is find one. Let's do it like this: async and do an async here, and then we can do like this. Await, and then this dot update async, and then return find one async, and then find one async, and then insert async, and then await here. Show. So the save, I got a movie. I do find one async, IDB movie, the update async, and then find one async, and then find one. Yeah, sounds good. So the save method actually works the same, and then async, and you want to wait, and then the remove. Whoops. return, I'll wait here. And the same thing goes in here. Oh, I don't think it's show it. Yeah, that's okay. Fetch async. And then we have the remove method. So we think it's not a remove anymore. It's actually a remove async. The Fight Club is not to comment on the code. Yeah. Sorry, Rodrigo, for missing out the thing. Yeah, someone. Yeah, the open source team decided to look into it. So now we have movies popular, a movie search. What I will do is check what this method do. Oh, popular movies. Get request URL. What is this? So I get the request, the API key, and the method, and two query string. So okay, and then I search. What is this request promise? Sounds okay to me, because let's see if it works still. CMI. Let's remove EXO. Yeah.
Por que os moderninhos
Alexa.
usam...
Para. So sorry, my Echo Dot started like talking.
Por que os moderninhos usam relógio?
I killed the Echo Dot. Sorry, Echo Dot. I killed you, but you're starting to talk, and sometimes I don't like when you start to talk like from thin air. Remove, okay, and see. So it's okay. So yeah, nice. I think everything that needed to be done, like, because it has this method call. I'm not sure what is this method call, but I guess it's, yeah, as I could imagine, it's like this. What I can do is, instead of returning a new promise of export method call, we get the method name and the args. What I will do, I will just rename it to Meteor call async, because nowadays, so Meteor method call can be replaced with. So what I would do is replace with Meteor.call async, and I can replace everywhere. And this one can be removed. So, and voila, it works. It works out of the box. Let's see. Remove. Yeah, it works. Yeah, voila. So there are many people that I know that have done this kind of thing, that they created this whole method that's like just to wrap around Meteor call around the promise, and now you don't even need that thing. Let's see if there's like a method call anywhere else. No, and there is another Meteor call. No, only async calls. Perfect. So, and then we have this REST thing, and I think this request promise is just like get turn into a promise, and that's okay. Get image URL, that's okay. Movies. So yeah, and search movies is the same thing, because you get a request URL and make it, yeah, perfect. So, well, as you might have seen it, we have done the whole, like, migrated this app from Felipe using Meteor like to async. But now we're gonna be doing the nice part, because we're gonna be updating it to release 3.0 beta.7, and hopefully things will turn out okay. So let's run it again. And let's see if it works. Yes, it It works. It works, I think. Remove and see popular. Want watch? I watch. Uh, oops. Yeah. So I guess it's working as intended. So I will create a PR to it, and we have done a lot of another how to migrate to another app. I think now that you have seen it, and like I've seen a few example apps, and I've worked in a few share. Uh, it seems a lot when you first look at it, but then you start working on it and like checking if it's working and changing and check if it's working. And if you're doing a project I've shown in here, like you have your project and you're in the 215 and you migrate most of its APIs to async, things will be fine, like as I've shown here. So the main issue is maybe if you done like something wrong, and then if you done something like if you instead of using find one, you use find one instead of find one async, what it will do, it will throw an error. So let's show here. Yeah, here's the error. So somewhere here, movie save find one is not available on server. Use find one async instead. So I have to use find one async. And if I change in here and voila, it will work. But that's another part that's nice. Like the errors that it might throw, it will help you to find if it's like if it's something is wrong, it will help you. So uh, don't be afraid. Things will run fine in the migration. Yeah, let me create a PR for Philippe. This one I will leave it here. This one I need this one. So let me create a fork. Uh, yeah, I'll create a fork. I'm reading. Great. So I will create a fork to contribute to the parent project, and I will write it to Meteor 3. I'll commit to master. I'll push, and then I will create a pull request to Felipe Nava. So yeah, to Meteor 3. Updating app to Meteor 3. And I'll slap it in a print. In the efforts to write an migration guide, I've been updating apps around. Let's see, things seems to be working fine, and I guess like for the most part, I guess there is like no other examples that I could see that could fit. So let's see what happens. Like Meteor MDG camera. So MDG camera, a version of Gabriel. So it hasn't been updated in 8 years. I guess people will start asking questions like if it works or something like this. And if people need, I will do a patch or ask for the OSS team to do a patch about this thing. But yeah, I guess someone's asking. Yeah. So yeah, let's see if I can find it here. But examples wise, I think we have done every single one. So that's not so fun, or better is like that's sad because we have finished our examples, but that's fun as well because I have learned a lot and I think we can write a better migration guide to you all. So for the community wise, it's good because now I know how to do a lot of things. But yeah, well, guys, I think our live stream is gonna be ending soon because yeah, it was a kind of a quicker one. That's good because I think it's gonna be easier to you all see later and share with your friends. So please do not forget to follow us on our social medias. Please follow, subscribe in this channel. Please follow us on Twitter. Please follow us on LinkedIn, on Instagram, and anywhere else that you might find us. So please follow us. It was lovely talking to you all. It was lovely to have this doing these live streams. We'll be in touch, but for the following month, I won't be doing it. So hopefully everyone loved me doing this, like especially this one that's updating apps. I think I found it to be more useful for many of you. So I guess it was the best best live stream that we had because the university one was nice, but it wasn't like it wasn't been so helpful. But this one updating packages, I guess it will help many others. It was awesome to have you all here. It was great to have you and giving me questions, asking me things. And if you have any doubts, you can ping us on Slack, on GitHub, on Twitter, anywhere else. So it was great having you all here and hope to see you soon. Bye bye.